Hi, Camilla Hicks here with C. Hicks Agency, and I work with real estate investors, and there's two common challenges that a lot of people run into. So the first one is funding your first deal or your next deal, and the second one is taxes. How do you bring in all that money and keep it protected from your wealthiest Uncle Sam, and also find a way to have some tax advantages when dealing with that lump sum of money, right? Or those revenues that are coming into you. So there is an insurance policy that offers a cash value in it and a tax shelter that has tax advantages. So that policy is a permanent cash building life policy. Okay, so a permanent cash building life policy. That's what you want to look for, and that's how you can really take advantage of using life insurance to fund your real estate. So the way it works is you think of it as having two buckets. You have a bucket over here, which is life insurance, because you have to have life insurance for it to be a life insurance policy. But this is a smaller bucket. We're not focused on this bucket in order to use the life insurance for real estate. Then you have this bucket over here. This is your cash bucket. Okay, so in order to utilize the strategy, you have to have life insurance. So what you do is you have a certain amount of life insurance that you pay for every month. Everything that you put into the policy that's above the cost of this bucket goes into this bucket, and it gains interest. So you put your money in here, and it allows you to put this cash over here. You do get some life insurance, but you also get this cash value that's building money, compounding interest while it's sitting there. So what that allows you to do is allows you to take money out to fund your deal, taking out that cash value. It also allows you to put profits in. I can spell this says profits. You want to put profits in and allow them to actually work for you. So you can use life insurance in order to fund your real estate deals.